Napoleon once said that imagination is incredibly influential, and Henry Ward Beecher compared a soul without imagination to an observatory without a telescope. Imagination is a fundamental aspect of your mind that has the ability to bring your ideas to life, making them visible in reality. Great scientists, artists, physicists, inventors, business leaders, and writers all utilize imagination as a powerful tool. Through imagination, scientists delve into the depths of reality to uncover nature's secrets. When faced with obstacles, individuals with disciplined imagination confidently declare that what seems impossible can indeed be achieved. It's just as effortless and much more engaging to imagine yourself as prosperous and successful as it is to dwell on thoughts of poverty and failure. To manifest your desires or dreams, visualize fulfillment consistently in your mind. By doing so, you actively bring your aspirations into existence. Your imagined truths already exist within your mind, and by staying dedicated to your ideals, they will eventually materialize. The innate architect within you will bring forth into reality what you impress upon your mind. All modern inventions, from television and radio to superjets, originate from the imaginative minds of humans. Your imagination is a boundless treasure trove that unlocks the riches of music, art, poetry, and discoveries. Think of a skilled architect envisioning a vibrant city for seniors with amenities like swimming pools and parks. With vivid imagination, they can visualize every detail of the buildings before they're built. Their inner wealth translates into tangible riches for themselves and many others. You, too, are the architect of your destiny. With your imaginative vision, you could transform an acorn into a majestic forest teeming with life. You could turn a barren desert into a flourishing oasis. Gifted individuals, guided by intuition and imagination, have transformed deserts into thriving cities where others saw only wastelands. Your imagination is constantly at work, whether for good or for ill. Your thoughts are filled with mental pictures shaping your perception of the world. Those dwelling in poverty often imagine scarcity and limitation, and their reality reflects these images. Think back to when you were getting married. Your imagination painted a vivid picture of the ceremony, the flowers, and the music. You envisioned the ring on your finger and imagined your honeymoon destination. All of this was brought to life by your imagination. Similarly, as you approached graduation, your mind conjured up scenes of the ceremony. You saw yourself receiving your diploma, surrounded by classmates and congratulated by loved ones. These mental images felt real and exciting. These images, seemingly arising from nowhere, are crafted by an internal creator within you. This creator breathes life into your visions, endowing them with vitality and voice, affirming, "We exist for you alone." In the realm of imagination, discipline is essential to ensure its effectiveness. Just as in science, where purity is paramount for a chemically pure product, in imagination, all mental impurities like envy, fear, and worry must be eliminated. Focus solely on your goals and refuse to be swayed from your path to a rich and happy life. Immerse yourself mentally in the reality of your desires and watch them manifest in your reality. Consider a prosperous businessman who, despite success, entertains thoughts of failure and bankruptcy. These negative mental images hold no truth and only exist in his imagination. If he continues to indulge in these thoughts fueled by fear, he risks bringing failure upon himself. Choose to enthrone in your mind images and thoughts that uplift, bless, and inspire. Your sustained imagination has the power to reshape your world. Trust in the laws of your mind to bring forth blessings and abundance in your life. The Bible verse from John 12:32 speaks metaphorically about lifting oneself up from adversity and attracting positive outcomes. It emphasizes the psychological and spiritual aspect of overcoming poverty, sickness, and limitations. To be a lifter-upper, you must elevate your desires to a level of acceptance, leading to manifestation. Instead of relying on physical senses that often convey negativity, turn inward to the infinite presence and power within. By anchoring your mind there, you can receive courage, faith, and wisdom beyond ordinary perception. Manifesting your desires is hindered by a depressed state of mind. By focusing on your vision and acknowledging the reality of your desires, you can overcome obstacles and fears. Contemplating the presence of God within dissipates fearful thoughts and shadows in the mind. The text emphasizes that success and prosperity don't typically come by chance or luck, but are manifestations of character and inner strength. It highlights the importance of character in shaping one's destiny and achieving upliftment from adversity. Unleash your energy, talents, and abilities, and cultivate a fervent enthusiasm to explore your inner potential. By doing so, you can elevate yourself to remarkable heights. A dynamic, self-assured, and proactive individual who attends to their responsibilities, acts with integrity, and treats others with respect will achieve success in life, regardless of chance encounters or external factors. Your character and mindset are pivotal in determining your success or failure, whether on a personal level or within larger contexts like your community, workplace, or religious institution. If you aspire to rise above mediocrity, ask for divine guidance and support, and it will be granted to you. Through daily meditation on desired qualities, you can imprint them into your subconscious mind and manifest them in your life. We all have a role to play in society, just like someone made the clothes you wear, signifying the contributions of others to our lives. Are you actively using your talents and abilities to benefit others, or are you relying on handouts? Some people choose begging as a profession, avoiding work while depending on the generosity of others. Despite being capable, they become dependent and fail to contribute positively to society. It's important to recognize the untapped potential within each individual. Everyone has unique gifts and resources waiting to be discovered. It's essential to instill a sense of responsibility, especially in young boys, about their role in society. Whether it's through hard work or driving progress in various fields, everyone has a part to play. Life rewards those who exhibit faith, courage, perseverance, and resilience. Overcoming obstacles is crucial for personal growth, shaping one's character and ultimately determining their destiny. Rely on God rather than solely depending on people or the government. Governments can only provide resources by taking them from individuals first. Additionally, peace, harmony, joy, abundance, security, wisdom, love for others, equality, prosperity, and goodwill cannot be legislated by any government. They stem from the spiritual realm within you. Some individuals lean on superficial qualities like their name, background, heredity, or appearance. But when their inner emptiness becomes evident, they falter due to lack of inner strength and support. If this message resonated with you, I warmly invite you to support us by liking and subscribing to our channel. Share this video with others to spread its valuable message, and feel free to leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts, reflections, and experiences. Thank you for watching and joining us. Take care until we meet again.